Hello, welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a wonderful fried pork and bean paste recipe. The main material for this recipe are pork tenderloin and lettuce and 2 bean paste. That is, one is called sweet bean paste and regular bean paste. And sushi rice. When I cooked rice, I put a pinch of salt and a little bit oil that makes rice more tasty. Next, I cut the pork tenderloin along the middle of the grain. First, cut to thin slices, then cut them into small strips. The pork strips are about 1/16 inch thick. Next, I marinate the meat strips. I use the cooking wine and dark soya sauce. Stir to mix everything well. Then set it aside for about 10 minutes. Next step, I prepare 2 cans of the bean paste. First, get the regular soya bean paste from this container. That's 2 times half tablespoon of this regular soya bean paste. Then I get sweet bean paste. So that is 1 time of half tablespoon. Then I add in that's a half teaspoon of sugar. Stir to mix everything well. Set it aside. Next, get that's 1 teaspoon. That's 2 teaspoons of potato starch. Add in 3 tablespoons of cold water. Mix everything well. Set it aside. All the vegetables are well cleaned. Next, we cut the green onion into white part and the green part. And cut each part into small pieces. Cut ginger into small pieces too. Cut this bell red pepper into small tiny bits. Now our vegetables are ready. Next, put 2 times half tablespoon of potato starch on the top of the meat strips. Then stir to mix everything well. Now the rice are well cooked. We open the cover to check. Wow, it smells so nice. Let's stir, make them loose. Then they are ready to use. Next, we arrange the lettuce leaves on a big plate. Make them a nice layer. Next, we heat a wok over medium heat. When the wok is very hot, we add in oil. We turn the oil, then we add in the meat strips. Stir, and use both the wooden turner and chopstick to separate the meat strips. After the meat strips become individual ones, then we stir fry about couple of minutes until all the meat strips change color to white and the sides of them are a little smaller. Then we add in ground Sichuan pepper. Stir fry. Then we add in the chopped green onions and ginger pieces. Stir fry everything in the wok. Then we add in the bean paste mixture. Then we stir fry everything in the wok for about 1 minute. Then we add in about 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Then we add in the liquid potato starch. Stir fry everything about half minute. Then everything well cooked. We turn off the heat and transfer them into a plate. Wow, they are looking so wonderful. Next, we drop some rice on each of the lettuce leaf. And then add some the pork tenderloin onto the rice. Then add in green onions. Then add in the red peppers. Now the whole plate is ready. It looks so beautiful, isn't it? Now let me try for you. Take one piece and fold it in the middle of lettuce. Then make a wrapper like this. Now, let me give you first bite of this wrapper. I'm telling you, it is so tasty. It's delicious. Like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe as well as the bell notification. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.